Many people ask one question when buying an electric motorcycle. Is it fast? But for business, speed is not the most important thing. What really matters is the torque. What is speed? Speed means how fast a bike can go. Yes, speed is good, but in business, you don't always need high speed. In cities, traffic will not allow you to use full speed. What is torque? Torque means power to move. It helps the bike to start moving quickly, carry heavy loads, and climb hills easily. So, torque makes the bike strong. Why is torque better for business? If you are doing delivery or logistics, torque is more important than speed. This is because you carry goods. You stop and start many times. You may ride on hills or bad roads. A high torque bike will handle all this easily. When speed really matters. Speed is useful when you ride on open roads and you don't carry heavy loads. So when choosing an electric motorcycle, don't focus only on speed. Ask about the torque because torque gives you power, strength, and better performance for work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to get more infos.